Welcome to the personal property tour for number 33 Campbell Crescent in Cupar. The property behind me here is a 3-bedroom detached bungalow. We've got off-street parking, we have a detached garage, and we're located in a very popular residential area on the south side of Cupar. We're in close proximity to the town centre, which holds artisan markets and other things, as the Cupar town is a market town. And also we have the retail park, which has an array of additional shops, and then the supermarkets, which include Tesco's, Lidl's and Aldi's as well. We also have that all-important train line here. The Cupar train station is a mainline train link to Dundee, Edinburgh and beyond. And the neighbouring towns of Springfield then has the A92 on the other side of that, which is great for commuting into the cities and of course throughout Fife. The neighbouring town of Village of Ceres has just recently held the Ceres Highland Games, so there's a lot of these kind of community spirit events which take part in Cupar and the surrounding villages and towns. So it's a really sought after area. You've got that combination of village living, but you also have a lot of amenities and great links into the major cities and neighbouring towns via car and train link, and of course the bus link as well. Property behind me here, as I say, 33 Campbell Crescent, 3-bedroom detached bungalow. We're going to take a look around inside today. The property itself, guys, is really well presented from the front. You could see the facade here, and we have a very low maintenance stone chip garden. We have some nice shrubs and bushes here. The front entrance here, but we're going to head up the side of the property as there's a rear garden, which I just love. It really has that peaceful, tranquil feeling to it, and it's not overlooked and very private. We have a driveway here, 2 easily, possibly 3 cars, detached garage, which is a great addition. It has a power supply in there as well. If we come through the gate at the side, we've got the kitchen entrance here. We'll just head up here, got the window and then the access door into the garage, which I said obviously you'll get the power supply in there, so you can have additional appliances and things. At the rear here you've got space for putting the bins and things. The bins will go back down at the bottom of the drive on collection day. This garden I love. It's so peaceful, and although we're right in the middle of a popular residential area, we have the benefit of this green space here, which is a communal area with a through path, but it means that there's no buildings here to overlook into this garden space. Summer house to enjoy the sun, a bench there to enjoy the sun when it's out, that's south just there. Lawn area, paved area with the drying area as well. We've got this beautiful tree here and it's just nice and peaceful. We'll come back out here and check that once we've looked inside. Into the kitchen, we've got a good sized breakfast and kitchen here. Ample space to have a table and chairs here. L-shaped kitchen units which go round with the integrated oven hob. You've also got the wash hand basin and sink with the draining board, which looks out across this garden. There's additional storage behind the actual door itself with space for a fridge freezer. So good sized kitchen with breakfasting space there as well. We'll go and look at the bedroom accommodation. You've got 2 bedrooms here and the shower room. We've also got at the front the main bedroom. Now this is a really good sized double room, nice and bright at the front of the property. As you can see, set up with a good sized bed in there, and the added bonus of this double wardrobe with mirrored front and shelving and hanging internally. Storage is quite good in here. You've of course got the garage, you've got attic space, you've got integrated wardrobes in 2 of the rooms. You've also got this storage space in the hallway. This storage cupboard here, which does house the central heating boiler. Now this is a combi boiler, it's a Worcester, and it is gas central heating throughout, and of course double glazed. 2 bedrooms here. The second bedroom is set up with a single bed, but it's very much a double. We've just got the desk and study area here. This benefits from looking out over the rear garden, and also has the added benefit of another double wardrobe with the mirrored front and hanging and shelving internally. Third room is set up with a dining table. It's got a unit in the corner there and a sideboard. This was utilised as a dining area, but it's very much a bedroom with that all-important view out over that garden. Although this has been used as a dining area, it's very much the third bedroom. Nice big hall down to the front door where we've seen from outside. Shower room has recently been upgraded. The shower enclosure, fully wet wall, a very big enclosure with the rainfall shower head and the handheld, low level toilet, wash hand basin, extractor fan, opaque window. Easily kept in here, nice and clean and a good size. Over the hallway into the main living area. Now this lounge is quite expansive in size and it's very bright as it has these big double windows at the front letting all that light in. But what I do like about this room is it can be split into two separate living areas. Now you could have a formal dining area up here and a living space on this side. You can see the lights have been set up in the ceiling to facilitate that, and I think that's just a great use of the space. It's a nice long room but also wide at the same time, and lots of light coming in here. So you could have a lounge area here and dining area here, which you could have as more formal, as opposed to just the breakfast area, which is located in the kitchen. So I really like that about this room, and the light that's coming in there as well. But as I say, you do have space to have a breakfasting table in the kitchen here. But let's head back out just to have one last look at that garden. And before I start talking, I just want you to listen. It's just so peaceful out here. It's not overlooked, very private, and you've got certain areas where you can sit in the summer house later at night and enjoy the sun. You've got the lawn area here, and of course you've got this bench here which is positioned perfectly for enjoying the sun. So there you have it guys, 33 Campbell Crescent in Cupar. 3-bedroom detached bungalow, bags of space inside, lots of off-street parking, detached garage, this beautiful garden which is just so peaceful, not overlooked. You've got space here to enjoy outside without it being quite an undertaking in terms of upkeep. Front garden's quite low maintenance as well. We're in a great location here with great commuter links with the train line in Cupar. We've also got that A92 which is close by. You've got lots of shops and amenities, and you've also got the schools. You've got Castle Hill Primary just down the road, and you've also got the catchment area for Bill Baxter if needed. So a lot to offer here. If you're interested guys, please reach out. You can speak to one of the team on 01334 654 221. I'm Richard Cook guys, this is Fife Properties.